Yesterday after 1 o'clock a buy call started. Can you see that green color candle? Here the buy call started. This buy call bullish momentum followed up to today. Today opening, as you can see, it's a July 16th market, Tuesday market we are watching. At 9:15 this momentum followed, but after 9:40 sell call generated, red color candle open. Like this automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. So green color it's a buy trend, red color means it's a sell trend. Okay, whenever the breakout happen, whenever the candle breakout happen, automatically it will give the calls like this. Right now you are watching the video like this. Daily you need to watch the chart, you will get the call like entry, target, stop loss. According to the entry you can do manual trade as well as auto trade, both are possible. For plan detail, if you want to subscribe for the chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail. So today it's a Tuesday market we are watching. The first call came at 52,575. That is our first call, and the call generated. Can you see that white line from red candle? That is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. First target is 52,443. It's more than 130 point first target range. Second target is more than 200 point range. Within 15 minutes of trading, before 10 o'clock itself, market has given a huge downside momentum. So due to this, it successfully break out 100 point momentum and goes to the first target range. Meanwhile, let's take a look at option chart also. It's a expiry, today expiring. So weekly expiry 53,000 put option. In this put option, we are watching it's a in the money option chart. Due to expiry, we are safely watching in the money option. So the call came at 542. And market move all the way to 680. So it's a 140 point momentum in this option chart due to a good volatile, good movement, good speed we can say. So it has given a huge upside momentum. Like this daily, this chart will generate the calls. According to the entry, you can do the trade like intraday tradings. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this calls means, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.